and have the lead unit back off a bit.
That's 5. Henry 1 is overhead. It's the lead unit back off a bit. 17.
Oh my gosh.
Establishing yourself there a little longer, then we can get you some.
Don't. What? Fuck!
I'm going to need more than that. And I'm going to need to know who's asking. The woman didn't reply. The waitress came by with his plate. Pancakes, eggs, and bacon. There was syrup on the table. The waitress refilled his coffee.
I think I was leaving over there.
Yeah.
I hate when people drive like that.
Woo!
Oh my god.
You saw how close he
Yes.
was? Oh, go!
Hurry up, go around before we can get stuck.
You're so funny, babe. The things that you'd fight on. Where's in your head?
Hold up. Oh my
God. Oh my God.
So a defensive phase now, possibly offensive in the future. Mr. Miller, thanks so much.
Thank you.
That's Christopher Miller of the Financial Times. And that's up first for this Friday, February 9th.
Mindset that they might not inform his. So, I mean, obviously the fact that the prosecution was able to get a guilty verdict with respect to her.
What do you think?
one of the examples that people have been giving me to show that divestitures don't always work has to do with Albertsons itself. Back in 2015, Albertsons bought Safeway. This was a really big merger. It did get approved, and as part of the approval, regulators required Albertsons to sell off almost 200 stores, and as part of this divestiture. And it got sold off to a number of companies, and one of the companies that bought a couple dozen stores refused.
Getting up and moving your body shouldn't be a daily struggle. Move with ease. Try Bioceuticals Ultra Muscle Ease. With an advanced formulated blend of magnesium that can help relieve muscle cramps when dietary intake is inadequate. Ask your healthcare professional about the Ultra Muscle Ease range today and see what works for you. Move with ease. Bioceuticals Ultra Muscle Ease. Always read the label before the purchase use.
Jesus Christ. Still.
Buddy.
Wow. Whoa. Jeez. Sheesh.
You know what I'm saying? KZU 4639 try to overtake me.